Hi there, welcome to this video on Bajerski.com. It's really interesting. For the past decade I've been working with crystals. I'm a crystal healer and we have an academy here called the Pure Energy Healing Academy in Spain, and many people come to learn how to work with crystals, how to become crystal healers. But over these 10 years I've noticed a lot of people being very frustrated over Moldavites, and they've been bringing them here and saying, is this genuine? And I've been really gutted because a lot of the Moldavites that people are buying at the moment is fake. And somebody asked me what I felt about the fake market, and I think my personal experience, what I've seen with people buying Moldavites, I would say that the market is saturated with fakes. If not 90%, then 80 or 70%, but well over 50%. It's got to be. I mean, it's become obscene. It's become really sad. So how do we spot a genuine piece of Moldavite? Well, I can answer that today for you, and I'm really happy to do so. And it isn't in the way that you may think, that I take the Moldavite and feel it, and the pulsating and the feelings and the palpitations. And no. I'm going to do it in a scientific way. It's how the meteorologists work and how they spot a genuine piece. There's two ways of doing it. The first way is taking your piece of Moldavite, placing it in a slightly dark area and taking a UV light. Shine the UV light over your Moldavite. If the Moldavite still stays dark or the shadow's still in there, you know it's genuine. If it's a fake, then the Moldavite copper will glow and shine very brightly inside. That's the first way. If you haven't got a UV to do that, then there's another way. Just a flashlight, a nice bright shiny one, and take your Moldavite, place it on top, and then get a little eyeglass. You know, you've seen the ones that jewelers wear. Just borrow one, go anywhere, pick one up, and just have a good look inside. So what you're looking for, I'll explain. A genuine piece of Moldavite, which is, of course, you all know by now, was sent to us 50 million years ago by the wonderful universe to bless our land and to help us feel the energy of extraterrestrial, or that kind of energy that we haven't felt before. And this beautiful Moldavite, as it goes through the transformation from being a meteorite to glass, as it hits the atmosphere, it holds anomalies which fake Moldavite, artificial Moldavite, doesn't. So the difference is, when you look into a genuine piece of Moldavite, what you're looking for is gas bubbles. But the gas bubbles are elongated. They are not natural gas bubbles as a fake piece would show, because a fake piece is hand blown, stood still. So the gas bubbles are always perfectly round, whereas a genuine beautiful piece of Moldavite will always show the gas bubbles elongated. Well, of course, it's bound to. If it's travelling through the atmosphere at such a speed, it's bound to elongate. So that's what you look out for. That is a genuine piece of Moldavite. They can't fake that. So I hope this video served you well, and remember, dear friends, if you've been stung by somebody who's cheated you on Moldavite, hey ho, it's happened to all of us, me too. So at least now you know how to spot a piece of genuine Moldavite. If you enjoyed this little short video and it's helped a little bit, then please subscribe to the YouTube channel and come along and say hello to Bajerski.com. And we have Moldavites there, genuine, and they've been worked on by a pure energy healer. Have a lovely day, everybody, from my heart to yours. Speak to you soon.